Today I will show you how to make the broken rib pattern. That's the front. You have your thread on the right side of your work. That's what it looks like. And this is the back. That's what it looks like. Back and front. Hi my friends, I just learned another pattern. And that's the outer one. You know how I do the outer stitch. I showed it to you in different videos. So row number 1, the first row, are all knits. A knit. But let me tell you something. You need an uneven number. So that's the first row. The second row, you do a knit, a purl, 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 and you finish with a knit stitch, and then the outer one. So that gives the broken rib pattern. And I wasn't watching out. With a simple pattern like this, I still messed up somehow. See, that's why I messed up, and that's why I messed up. If it doesn't look like this, then it's not the correct pattern. Front and back. Then you, of course, do again the third row, of course, all knits, and you just keep repeating it. The third row will be all knits, of course. And then the fourth row, a knit, a purl, a knit, a purl, you end with a knit. I hope you enjoyed another video from me today. Happy knitting! Thank you for watching. Goodbye now.